This is Melody
Production.
And we're gonna put it like this in. What style the song? Nigga need to survive.
Strike.
Hilo-tips.
Nigga, we
Strike,
these
strike.
niggas.
Rips, nigga.
No talking, nigga.
Strike, nigga.
Group shit.
Strike.
Strike, nigga.
1300. Anybody
Strike.
kill this shit, man.
You already know, nigga.
All the way out the gate.
Niggas. Strike. Niggas. Okay. Niggas coming out the closet. I put a nigga in a coffin. I'm fucking sick, now I'm coughing. I get this money, no talking. I hit a lick while he walking. I run up strapped in his apartment. I kill that nigga in the dark. Bitches no talking. I be getting money, gotta get to this bread. Fuck that head. I ain't worried about that bitch right now. She special ed. Education, but in school, I had the fucking blues. Hot as a fucking bitch saying fuck the substitute. I ain't give a fuck about that hoe. I told her ass is slow. That bitch told me side low. I said bitch is so low. Still I fucking got that bread. I got that money. Stacked it high. Y'all niggas pussies. Y'all pussies. I hope y'all niggas fucking die. Kitty cat, yam, pussy ass nigga. I don't give a fuck. I'ma bust that fucking trigger. If I had you motherfucker, then I smoke my fucking cigar. I'm the Don. You a motherfucking pussy ass nigga.
What you tryna vibe and like, nigga, just don't give a damn. What you tryna do in life? It's what, 2016.
Put a nigga in the coffin. These niggas coming out the closet. Hit a lick while he walking. I run up strapped in his apartment. These niggas coming out the closet. I hit that nigga in the dog. That nigga pussy, man. And all these niggas know it ain't no talking.
No, it ain't no motherfucking talking good. Get the fucking smoky like my fucking Newport and your bitches on the dick. Yeah, she smoking like a Newport, cause she hell on my kids. And my thing is with the missus. She getting on my nuts, and I'm tired cause my motherfucking flow is shit just like a fucking bullshit. And I just ain't no rapping around shit. I'ma wrap you up, body bag, nigga. Either way, gon' be no hit on me. Gone, nigga, cause I smoking strong, nigga. Bitch, she on the dick. She smoking like a fucking bomb, nigga. How you wanna get, you can get it any day. Broad day, we gon' let these guns spray every night, nigga. Guns at your back. Breathing real fast, how the fuck you gon' act? Cause I'ma let this man go. And it's the group, we put you in the coffin, fuck the hoe.
Give a damn, bro, nigga, don't give a damn about nobody. How you roll, nigga, 2016, nigga, don't care how you roll. Roll like you don't, and done do it like this and roll.
Niggas coming out the closet. I put a nigga in the coffin. Catch a lick while he walking. Come up strapping his apartment. It ain't no talking. Strike.